Perfect. And we are live. What is up, everybody? Welcome to the Data on Kubernetes community live stream number 147. Always got to be careful what number we're on. Don't want to go too far ahead. But let's be honest, we've done a lot of content, been creating a lot of stuff. And as usual, want to update you about things we got going on in the community. If you have not checked out our CFP, do so quickly because time is ticking. You've got a few hours left to get your CFPs in for Data on Kubernetes Day, which will be on October 24th. If you have not registered for that already, first of all, why not? Come on, register. It's super easy to do. It's free. Just got to add it to your KubeCon schedule. Like I said, it's going to be on Monday, October 24th. It will be hybrid. We'll be on the ground in Detroit. I was just talking to today's speaker about sort of our KubeCon plans. And we will also be doing it virtually. So you can submit talks that are pre-recorded, that are given virtually, or that are given in person. We've got all the guidelines there in the CFP. And like I said, registration couldn't be easier. Other things that we've got going on in the community, always a good thing to check out as we're with one of our lovely members, community sponsors today, is our landscape, right? So the DoK landscape, you get a chance to see as end users all the different technologies that are listed there. So you can make the decisions that you want to make on which one is going to be best for your use case, which one is going to be best for your organization. So always check that out. Like I said, lots of good things there. Without further ado, today's speaker is going to be talking about the storage landscape. His name is Dinesh, CTO at Civo, awesome company. How are you doing today?
Yeah, very good. Very good. It's the heat wave here in the UK has kind of ended and I'm very glad about it. And my garden is very glad about it. And I now feel incredibly stereotypically British because I've said hi and spoken about the weather. So, you know exactly where in the world I'm from.
I have to ask, what's in your garden? What's in your garden though?
So we've got a lawn that is dead but is coming back. But sort of every year I start planting some plants that either I kill or survive by pure luck and chance. And this year we've got some lovely roses that have survived by pure luck and chance.
Okay, so there are some upsides to some of the things we're experiencing regarding climate, but like you said, I've been having some crazy weather all over the place. That being said, Dinesh, you gave a talk about this topic already, but just to give folks some background, your experience with storage, and then on top of the Kubernetes world, maybe just a quick summary of the talk that you gave in the last DoK day before we jump into today's.
Absolutely. So actually, this is, I think, turning into a little bit of a series because this is now the third on the same sort of project that we are talking about. So we had an opportunity to kind of evaluate all of the storage projects that were out there because we were moving from one vendor to another, or shall I say we had the option of moving from one vendor to another. So we build a cloud platform and it is built from the ground up on Kubernetes, and storage plays a huge part in that. So when we started this project, probably about 2.5-3 years ago now, we went to market, evaluated what was available and went in one direction. And then sort of 2 years down the line with that, we had an opportunity again to reevaluate it. So the talk I gave at DoK Days before KubeCon EU was almost like a lightning talk about how you would kind of go about choosing vendors, evaluating products, and doing your own little mini benchmark. And I think that had some really good feedback. So I'm here today doing a longer session, going into a bit more detail about what we did, what you could do, and hopefully